National Seats NSCL Various Post Recruitment 2020. So guys, NSCL has issued recruitment notification for the post of management trainee, senior trainee and various posts. So let's see the full details. So guys, you are watching important dates. Starting date is 14th of July 2020 and you can apply till 4th of August 2020. Fee payment last date is also 4th of August 2020. Admit card date will be notified soon and exam date also will be notified soon. So you are watching age limit age on 1st January 2020. So on the last 1st January 2020 you should be below than 30 years to apply for this post. Application fee is nil for everyone and job location India. Vacancy details for National Seats NSCL various posts recruitment 2020. Post name and post wise vacancy. Assistant legal grade J 3 post. Management trainee production 16 post. Management trainee horticulture 1 post. Management trainee marketing 7 post. Management trainee human resources 2 post. Management trainee agricultural engineering 4 post. Management trainee civil engineering 1 post. Management trainee quality control 2 post. Management trainee materials management 3 post. Senior trainee agriculture 29 post. Senior trainee agriculture plant protection PP 3 post. Senior trainee horticulture 1 post. Senior trainee marketing 10 post. Senior trainee human resources 5 post. Senior trainee logistics 5 post. Senior trainee quality control 1 post. Senior trainee accounts 5 post. Diploma trainee agriculture engineering 4 post. Diploma trainee electrical engineering 2 post. Trainee agriculture 18 post. Trainee marketing 17 post. Trainee human resources 8 post. Trainee agriculture stores 6 post. Trainee purchase 2 post. Trainee technician 27 post. Trainee stores engineering 9 post. Trainee stenographer 13 post. Trainee quality control 3 post. Trainee data entry operator 3 post. Trainee account 6 post. Trainee maid agriculture 3 post. Pay scale as per rule. So let's see the educational qualification. For assistant legal grade 1, professional degree in law from a recognized university, 1 year experience of handling legal matters in a reputed organization or with experienced advocate. Knowledge of computer MS Office shall be desirable. The department candidates who are law graduates working in the next below post for 2 years having aptitude to work in legal department will also be considered on merits along with others. Next is management trainee production. BSc Agriculture plus MBA Agriculture Business Management or MSc Agriculture with specialization in agronomy, seed technology, plant breeding and genetics from a recognized university institution with minimum 60% marks. Knowledge of computer MS Office is mandatory. For management trainee horticulture, BSc Horticulture plus MBA Agricultural Business Management or MSc in Horticulture, MSc in Agriculture with specialization in horticulture from a recognized university institution with minimum 60% marks. So let's see the another one. Management trainee marketing. BSc Agriculture plus MBA Marketing Agriculture Business Management full time or 2 years full time PG degree or diploma in marketing or agriculture, business management or MSc in agriculture from a recognized university institution with minimum 60% marks. knowledge of computer MS Office is mandatory. So here you are watching. Next is management training human resources. 2 years full time BG degree or diploma in personal management or industrial relations or labor welfare or HR management, or 2 years full time MBA HRM from a recognized university institution with minimum 60% marks. Knowledge of computer MS Office is mandatory. So next is management training agriculture engineering. BE or BTech in agriculture engineering from American University Institute with minimum of 60% marks. Knowledge of computer MS Office is mandatory. So next is management training civil engineering. BE or BTech in civil engineering from recognized university institute with minimum of 60% marks. Knowledge of computer MS Office is mandatory. So next is management training quality control MSc agriculture with specialization in agronomy, seed technology, plant breeding and genetics with 60% marks. MS Office knowledge is mandatory. So next is management training material management. MBA materials management or logistics and supply chain management or supply chain management, or BSc agriculture with MBA in agriculture business management from a recognized university, 60% marks. MS Office is mandatory. So next is management training materials management, certification in packing material CPM, MSc in agriculture or BE or BTech in agriculture engineering or BSc in agriculture with MBA in agriculture business management, or 2 years full time PG degree or diploma in packaging from a recognized university, 60% marks, or MS Office is mandatory. So next is management training materials management agrochemicals, MSc in agriculture with specialization in plant pathology or agriculture entomology from a recognized university, 60% marks. MS Office mandatory. Next is senior training agriculture, MSc agriculture with specialization in agronomy, seed technology or plant breeding and genetics with minimum 55% marks. MS Office is mandatory. So guys, next is senior training accounts, MCOM or MBA in finance with minimum 55% marks and knowledge of MS Office. For training agriculture, BSc in agriculture with minimum 60% marks, MS Office mandatory. For trainee mate in agriculture, intermediate in agriculture or senior secondary or equivalent in science with biology with sound physics, knowledge and experience in agriculture related field will be desirable. So how you can apply, guys? Interested candidates can submit their online application through the official website. You can also find the apply online link from this on this page, so you can visit the description box. You will find here the link of this article. You can visit the article and apply directly here, or you can also download notification you are watching here. So mode of selection will be written exam. So that's it, guys. Okay, bye bye.